Stop before you turn. Wow. Wow. Didn't even try. Okay. Hi. Hello. How you doing? Hey, it's the right turn lane, you scumbag. Okay. Wake up. Thank you. Down the phone. Don't hit me, Jesus H. Christ, douchebag. Oh, hey, hello, hi. Asshole, Nissan nitwit. And you didn't stop, did you? No. Let's see if... Oh, a second, hold on. Don't you dare take that right on red. Take the right on red. No turn on red. Back there. Hi, stop sign, thank you. You just ran the red. Okay. You ran the red too. Could you be any fucking closer? Ran the red. Toyo turd. Shut off your high beams. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Get on the right side, will you dickhead? Yeah, same to you. That was a cutoff. Hey, oh, yeah. Lexus. Oh, dealer too. Masshole dealer, good. Ira Lexus. Is that a legal U-turn? Because they don't have a U-turn. Yeah, it's an illegal U-turn. Prius back ahead. Washed up memories, invited on dates. Some. Hello, hello, hello! Dumbass. Cut off.
Turn right.
Hey! That was close. He didn't like it. Are you exit diving? Yes, you are. Go. What the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ. Hannaford emergency. Toyotard. Maniac. Stop tailgating. You very stop tailgating. Stop. Hey, Okay, give me a minute. I gotta get around to this guy. This one will not speed up, so please don't ride up my butt. Get off my ass, will ya? Wake up, lady! Wake the up! Pass fail, hemorrhoid, and now she speeds up. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Oh, it wasn't a hemorrhoid, it was a Lexus. I'm so sorry. Yeah, that was close. Yep. And direct to the left lane. Yep. Man, she loves. The woman's as strong as the need. Oh, hi, Speedy. How you doing? Welcome to Worcester. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yep. Tesla turd. Get off his butt, Tesla turd. Oh, no, there you go, alright. That's strong. Yeehaw! Scumbag. That's some really bad driving. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Tough guy turd. Jesus Christ! Fucking asshole. Oh, good. Green. I don't have a green. Oh well. Don't run that red light. Thank you. Pass on the right, you dummy. You can pass on the right. Wait a minute. You just ran the red light. Jesus Christ. Yeah! Dickhead, Rhode Island. Rhode Island. Okay, are you gonna not stop? Yes, you did not stop. And didn't stop down there either. Good. Freaking ever, man. You going? Good. Thank you, dear. Stop sign, you know what that means? Was that fucking necessary? Brake check? Yeah. Dickhead. Back the fuck off, douchebag. You're jumping the queue. Either way, it was a jug handle dive. Well, he didn't jump the queue, but he jug handle dive. Dove. Whatever. That's a cutoff. Blocking the view, Audi. Clunk. And that's why I don't like tailgaters. exit dive left.